Hello everyone! Today we will cook a Malai mini pizza. Let's go! To begin with, we will make dough. We will need flour, warm water, and instant dry yeast. Let's mix it up. Perfect! Now add some oil, salt, and honey. That's such a funny lump we got. It's time to lubricate it with oil, cover it with film, and remove it for 20 minutes. We're going to put flour through a sieve and pour it on the board. This is needed for our dough. Let's make a piece of tortilla and roll out a thin layer. The round shape will make our pizza smooth and beautiful. We're cutting out the edges, covering the pizza with a plate, and using a knife. Amazing! Now, some mozzarella on top and rolling it up. Beautiful! Let's move on to cooking delicious chicken. We put the meat in a bowl and adding some spices. Chili pepper, coriander, black pepper, some masala, garlic, ginger, and lemon juice. And also some dill powder, cream, and yogurt. Oh, what a fragrance! Wow! We need to let our fillet stand for a while and soak in it. Hooray! Now we can fry the chicken. Pour some oil and put meat into the pan. It seems to be ready. Yeah, perfect! Finally, it's time to lay out all the ingredients on our pizza. First, smear the dough with ketchup. Then put some grated cheese and some breaded chicken. Top with the remaining cheese, olives, and basil. It remains only to pepper the pizza and bake it in the oven. Don't forget about the seasoning. Bravo! We got a great Malai pizza! Oh, how delicious it smells! I can't wait to try a piece. Gorgeous! A huge thank you to everyone who has watched this video. Both likes and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new cool recipes. See you soon! Bye-bye!